Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's hard reset A03 core. Switch off the phone, plug in USB from laptop or from computer, press volume up and power key together, keep holding until you see the logo. Okay, let it charge. Keep holding. Now release the power key when you see the logo. Keep pressing volume up. When you see this, release the button, volume up. Now bring it here, wipe data factory reset from volume down. Here, wipe data factory reset. Press once for power key, bring down here, wipe data factory reset, press power key once, is wiping, wiped your password pattern, wait for reboot system now, power key 1, it's done, it's coming on now, can wait. This is A03 core Samsung. Can take 4-5 minutes max. Charge your battery before you reset. It will be on now. Is starting. Android. Sir, एक मिनट. Yes, ready to use. Just connect your Wi-Fi. Go next. Installing application. A03 core. It's ready to use, guys. Just connect your Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye.